The next video shows how this little clamping down plate works. So if I actually unscrew this for you, and I'll show you what it consists of. It's got a 5mm Allen key, which I'll remove. This is one of the key components that you've got to get right if you're going to make one. So take that out and you can see there's a 5mm Allen key. It's about 20mm from the outside, and that there is 25mm from centre to this little dimple here. If I zoom in on there you can see 5mm hole here and a dimple there. And what happens is this bolt goes into this hole, and then the bottom of that nip screw there has got a dimple on it as well. You can see there. That goes into this little countersunk here. So we'll put those back together quickly. So you screw that Allen key down till there's just enough clearance to get your ring underneath. And basically when it's fitted, the ring goes underneath. Give it a bit more room. Ring goes underneath. There you go. Wiggle it into place and leave enough gap between the table and the wheel so the wheel doesn't grind into the table. Pull it down into position. If I left it outstanding like that a long way off the wheel, it will get chatter. So what you do, you just turn the wheel in and it pushes your ring backwards. Keep pulling backwards on this on the ring itself. Pull back so it's touching this cam and that pin. Then you lock it up. And how this works, this little plate, when you tighten this up, it tips this front end forward and presses it down against the ring. Basically it's like a rocking clamp like that there, and that's it tight up against the wheel. So if I zoom back out, and this actual concentric cam, which I didn't explain earlier, that can move up to the ring, so that sets the setting position. But this cam's also got a series of different holes in, so you can take that out and you can put this pin in that hole for a larger ring, and you can do up to 5-inch diameter piston rings on this table, all in one. So that's basically it. So if I undo that clamp, basically this ring goes round this Allen key and round. I can position that better for you. It goes round underneath there, round that pin, the Allen key, and round the pin. So basically that's what it looks like underneath when it's clamped. So I'll put that in, and you'll see it goes round the actual Allen key, round the little pin, and onto the wheel there. Line it up onto the wheel. About 1/8 of an inch is enough to stop it from chattering when it's grinding, and clamp it down. And that's how the clamping system works. As per usual, thank you all for watching.